Let's have a look at our handmade motor cultivator. It is based on the moped. Do you remember that moped? I've cut off the front fork and removed the balancer. I had to reconstruct it into the motor cultivator because we have to plant now, and I'm too lazy for digging. There remains the steering and the motor reducer from the e-bike. The reduction rate is 16:1. The cultivator blade is made from the regular car disc, and I welded some metal stripes to it. It's because the cultivator blades cost too much for nothing. That's BS. The steering is handmade. It is made from the bike steering. I just added some lengths for welding. And the standard throttle will remain as well. Only the temperature sensor is new here. It's from a big boiler, and it works pretty well here. Actually, the motor cultivator was in use already. Tusk has used it to plow the garden. I mean the ground you can see right now. And we can see that the potatoes start growing. The Colorado beetles are lying dead already. That is why you should always treat your potatoes right after planting it, and the beetles will be dead before eating your plants. Let's go and see how well this thing works. Check it on the ground, so to say. I have cultivated the garden already. So let's go to the greenhouse. And that is the transporting wheel. It shoots you the door. Is it reduce your electric? Yeah, sure. 12 volts? No, it's 24. Let's start and show you how it's working. Mother always said, touch gently if you want to start. This ground is so soft, cultivator buries you in. I drown in soil. It looks so easy to do. You know, it is very different from the garden. It's easy in the greenhouse. I think it would be easy without a cultivator too. Yeah, you're right. I was hardly moving forward while cultivating the garden. The soil there was hard. I spent 3 hours for planting. And it took 2 of us. Sounds cool. As you can see, the beast is working. The depth is quite normal, even more than normal. How many horsepower does it have? 5 horses, but with the reducer it becomes 15. It's hot. It's 80 Celsius now, and this temperature is normal for working. It will be showing us 40 all the way if I start it. There is a cooling system. There is a fan in the front, near the starter. So you made it and measured it only by eye, you say? Yeah, I was playing by ear. One hand is welding, holding it all with my leg. It took me 3 days to make it, from what I had. If you like the motor cultivator, we've got something more for you. We want to make an electric hoe. It will be merged with a screwdriver. Smash like, subscribe, and you will see that.